Welcome back to another technical video. Today, I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution you're looking for. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy, just like me, and hopefully you work through to that resolution. Let's get started. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped answer your question and you found that answer that you're looking for. Now, please hit subscribe if it helped. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time on another one of these videos. Cheers.